Hi guys, it's Khushi and in today's video I'm going to do an art supplies haul. So the first thing that we have is a pencil set. So this pencil set is basically from Domes. These are the super dark graphite pencils. Inside you'll get a 10 graphite pencils and also one eraser pencil. I'm very excited to see what the eraser pencil looks like. So inside you'll find 10 graphite pencils. These pencils are in triangular shape for better grip and they have a matte finishing and they claim to be super dark. I love writing with Domes pencil, they are always the best. And this is basically the brush eraser. So one side you'll have the eraser, you need to sharpen that. So this is basically the eraser and they've also provided us with the brush to basically clear your eraser dust. So we also have a sharpener and this cap. I think this cap is for the eraser so that it does not get dirty. So in this set there are total of 10 pencils. All of these pencils are HB pencils. In the first stack you'll find 4 pencils and 1 brush eraser, and in the next stack there are 6 pencils. So in total 10 pencils. So the second thing that we have are these pens. These pens are basically Unipin fine line. They are water and fade proof, and I have got the 0.2 version and the 0.5 version. As you can see their tips, the 0.2 version is very thin and I will show that while writing also. And these pens are basically used for doodling, urban sketching, and they're also good for outlining. And I also got this brush pen. This is basically a black brush pen. I've also used this before and it is super flawless, so I bought it again. Next up we have this Fevicryl acrylic colors bottle, which is an 100 ml bottle in the shade chrome yellow. Next thing that we have are these art tools. These are basically bamboo dip pens which are used for drawing and also for calligraphy. So the name itself suggests as a dip pen because you have to dip that pen inside ink so that you can write. And I'm very excited to try these out because they seem to be very fun and interesting, and I will make a video on this soon. Next up we have these pens from Luxar. These are the fine writer pens and they are 0.5 mm. We have got 10 pens in 10 different shades and these are ideal for drawing and writing. I think this would be best for mandala as well as doodling. And I have tried out these pens and these pens are very pigmented and ideal for effortless writing. Next up we have the sketch pack. These are basically papers ideal for sketching and doodling. They are 170 GSM and in this pack you'll get 50 sheets of paper. So these papers are basically of A4 size and they seem to be of great quality. Then we have the Domes Fluid Acrylic Colors Kit. I've already tried out 2 variants in this. The first one was pearl and the another one was metallic. So this version is basically the vibrant version. It consists of very vibrant colors and it will be very exciting to try this one out. I will leave the link of other 2 videos in the description box in case you're interested. And this video will come really soon. Next up we have a drawing pencil set. So this set basically consists of the graphite pencils as well as charcoal pencils. You also get 3 blending stumps and 1 pencil extender. Then we also get a cutter. This cutter is basically provided to sharpen your charcoal pencils. As you guys know, charcoal pencil should not be sharpened with a normal sharpener and you should be using a cutter, but you need to be careful while using that cutter to sharpen your charcoal pencils. So this is basically the pencil extender. It is used to extend your pencil when it gets shorter. And the next interesting thing that you get in this set is the Skech eraser pen. This is basically an eraser. You can sharpen that with the normal sharpener and use it as a pencil eraser. Then we have these charcoal pencils and 1 art kneadable eraser, 1 normal eraser and 1 sharpener. So next we have Brustro Artist watercolor pencils. This set is of 24 shades. On the packet they have mentioned that they are highly pigmented and break resistant and also provide consistent color when wet or dry. So these are the watercolor pencils. They have provided us with 24 pretty shades and all the shades look super pretty and super pigmented, and I'm really excited to make a video for you guys using these ones. And these are what the shades look like. also mentioned the names of the colors on each pencil, which is a very unique idea actually. So the colors that we have are black, amethyst, ultramarine, midnight blue, sky blue, azure blue, emerald, sap green, grass green, lime, white, ivory, lemon, golden yellow, orange, yellow ochre, peach puff, French rose, scarlet, raspberry, walnut, hazelnut, espresso and toner grey. So next I have this detailer line brush set of 5 pieces. There are 5 brush in this set, and this is basically used for detailed work. And these are all the brushes. The first one is a detailer brush, which is the thinnest of all. Then we have the liner brush, which is also thin but the bristles are long. And then we have one more detailer brush. This time the bristles are little thick. And lastly we have the liner brush and the long liner brush. And lastly we have a cutting mat, which is 40 by 35 centimeter and A3 size cutting mat. This cutting mat is of really good quality because it stays in place. It is very sturdy, and one side you will get basically the centimeters and the other side you will get the inches. And that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked watching this video, and if you did, then give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.